To access the Guardian Angel Connect app, we go to the main menu and we select the Guardian Angel Connect. To switch on the Guardian Angel Connect, press the switch at the bottom of the screen. Now the Guardian Angel Connect is connected with our LocationNow.com web tracking platform. The Guardian Angel Connect requires the Look Watch to be connected with Wi-Fi, have had the SIM card data and roaming enabled for communication outside of Wi-Fi range, have had the GPS receiver selected to recommended high accuracy mode, be connected with your Gmail account, and have also had the Google tools updated. To access the configurations of the Guardian Angel Connect app, press and hold the center of the screen. Here, we can change the SOS number, the SMS number, enable or disable voice on demand, enable or disable fall detection, set the report by time interval, enable or disable the heart rate detection, set the time interval for the heart rate detection, and enable or disable the watch removal detection.